Geckos are lizards belonging to the infraorder Geckoda, found in warm climates throughout the world. They range from 1.6 to 60 centimeters, 0.64 to 24 inches. Most geckos cannot blink, but they often lick their eyes to keep them clean and moist. They have a fixed lens within each iris that enlarges in darkness to let in more light. Geckos are unique among lizards in their vocalizations. They use chirping sounds in social interactions with other geckos. They are the most species-rich group of lizards, with about 1,500 different species worldwide. The new Latin gecko and English gecko stem from the Indonesian Malay gekok, which is imitative of the sound the animals make. All geckos, excluding the Eubliferidae family, lack eyelids and instead have a transparent membrane, which they lick to clean. Nocturnal species have an excellent night vision. Their color vision is 350 times more sensitive than human color vision. The nocturnal geckos evolved from diurnal species which had lost the eye rods. The gecko eye therefore modified its cones that increased in size into different types, both single and double. 3 different photopigments have been retained and are sensitive to UV, blue, and green. They also use a multifocal optical system that allows them to generate a sharp image for at least 2 different depths. Most gecko species can lose their tails in defense, a process called autotomy. Many species are well known for their specialized toe pads that enable them to climb smooth and vertical surfaces, and even cross indoor ceilings with ease. Geckos are well known to people who live in warm regions of the world, where several species of geckos make their home inside human habitations. These, for example the house gecko, become part of the indoor menagerie and are often welcomed, as they feed on insects, including moths and mosquitoes. Unlike most lizards, geckos are usually nocturnal. The largest species, the Gecko, is only known from a single, stuffed specimen found in the basement of a museum in Marseille, France. This gecko was 60 centimeters, 24 in long, and it was likely endemic to New Zealand, where it lived in native forests. It was probably wiped out along with much of the native fauna of these islands in the late 19th century, when new invasive species such as rats and stoats were introduced to the country during European colonization. The smallest gecko, the Giragua spiro, is a mere 1.6 centimeters long and was discovered in 2001 on a small island off the coast of the Dominican Republic.